If you get to hear me now. Know you get stronger when you get older. Just don't show your shoulders when you get older. Things aren't easy, so just believe me now. If you don't keep it cool now, you never make a sound. All the lights will guide the way. If you get to hear me now, all the fears will fade away. If you get to hear me now. If you get to hear me now. You get to hear me now. The excuses aside, speak out your mind now. And don't let it slide, you're not always right now. The things aren't easy, so just believe me now. Don't learn the hard way, just let me show you how. All the lights will guide the way. If you get to hear me now, all the fears will fade away. If you get to hear me now. 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 You get to hear me now.
Yeah. I like girls, they are great. Strippers everywhere, I like this place. But I don't like all these fake people running around pretending they got bands. All they got is they big mouth. But hey, I don't care, cause in the end I'm flying private and they just write air.
I'm in the club, I don't know what the fuck is going on. Big smile on my face, DJ play my favorite song. And we are here now, we are fucking here now. Let's smoke some weed and chase some
Blue goose shots with beer now, hey.
We are fucking here now.
Been drinking Bacardi, I'm tipsy as shit. Turn up in the party, it's lit in this bitch.
Been drinking Bacardi, I'm tipsy as shit. Turn up in the party, it's lit.
I like girls, they are great. Strippers everywhere, I like this place. But I don't like all these fake people running around pretending they got bands. All they got is they big mouth. But hey, I don't care, cause in the end I'm flying private and they just write air.
I'm in the club, I don't know what the fuck is going on. Big smile on my face, DJ play my favorite song. And we are here now, we are fucking here now. Let's smoke some weed and chase some blue goose
shots with beer now. Hey.
It was so long ago. There was a place that we used to go.